My name is Ryan. I am one of the leads here in the Dropbox Dublin office for our user operations team. Dropbox is a very simple way to have access to your files no matter where you are. So the great thing is that you can have a Mac, a PC, an iPhone, or an Android, and you can still have access to all your files no matter where you are. People like to work with us because we're just a simple product. You don't really need to know much more than how to use a phone or how to use a computer to really use Dropbox. It's as simple as literally just putting a file inside of a folder. Right now here in Dublin we have our sales, our user operations, our Dropbox associate program, which actually encompasses both of those roles. It's really focused towards people with less work experience and directly out of the university. And on top of that, we're actually recruiting for recruiters. We're actually looking for a wide variety of backgrounds. It's not so much what you studied in university, it's more about you are a top performer in whatever you do. Really what we like to see is that people are just top performers and also have a really strong interest in technology. So whether you did have a previous job or you're in the university, we really look for top marks, things that you've done, you've really made strong impacts in the company or what you were doing. We really like just really outgoing, motivated people. We not only want them to be top performers in the job that they do, but also really active contributors to the culture. Not only is Dropbox a great place to actually get work done, but it's also a great place to hang out with other people. And so we want everyone to really get along and actually create a good culture for the office. Anybody who starts in any of the roles right now, they actually spend their first couple of weeks here in Dublin, and that gives them an opportunity just to get to know the team, do some very introductory training, and then they actually get to go spend a month in San Francisco, where they will actually continue their training as well as getting to know a lot of the people there in San Francisco. Regardless of the team that you work on, you're always working with other teams. So the recruiting team obviously will be hiring and working with the teams that they're hiring for. User operations really touches almost every team at the company. Because we are the voice of the user, we want to ensure that every team is aware of the things that are actually happening with our users. And then sales, the same sort of thing. They really want to communicate what's going on from the enterprise side of things and making sure that their needs are actually addressed. So Dropbox is a really exciting place to work. Not only do you get to work with really smart, really motivated people, but you get to work on something that everybody loves to use.